Welcome back to Forex Cracked. Are you tired of blowing up accounts, getting stopped out, or just not seeing the growth you want in your trading? Well, today, we're diving into the 5 Forex trading rules you should never break. Rules that every successful trader lives by. Follow these, and you'll be miles ahead in the game. First rule, and it's a big one. Never, ever risk more than you can afford to lose. Trading with money you can't afford to lose leads to emotional decisions. When the stakes feel too high, that's when panic sets in. Ideally, you should only risk 1 to 2% of your trading account per trade. So if you lose, you live to trade another day. Next up, always use a stop loss. Imagine this as your safety net. It protects your account from catastrophic losses. A stop loss lets you control your risk on every trade. No matter how confident you are, the market can turn in an instant. With a stop loss, you're prepared for anything. Rule 3. Don't overtrade. Overtrading is one of the quickest ways to drain your account. It's tempting to try and jump into every setup or chase the market after a loss. But this is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on quality setups over quantity. Take a breather, let the best opportunities come to you. Rule 4. Always trade with a plan. You wouldn't start a business without a business plan, and trading is no different. Your plan should outline your risk tolerance, goals, entry and exit strategies, and when you're going to trade. A plan helps you stay disciplined and consistent, which are 2 crucial factors for long-term success. And finally, Rule 5. Never let emotions control your trades. Greed, fear, and frustration can make even the best trader take the worst trades. When emotions take over, discipline and strategy go out the window. Stick to your plan, and don't let the highs and lows of the market affect your mindset. Stick to these 5 rules, and you'll see a massive improvement in your trading journey. Trust me, these are the foundational rules every successful Forex trader lives by. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, don't forget to subscribe to Forex Cracked for more powerful strategies and insights. And remember, trading is about patience, discipline, and learning from every trade. Stick to these rules, and you'll crack the Forex game with Forex Cracked.